So I'm putting together a little video here of how to open Zoom and start recording a presentation, and then save that presentation and upload it to YouTube and make that a private video that I can then share with my students, but not the entire world around me. I'm using QuickTime Player. This is on a Mac. I've plugged in a headphone with a microphone, and when I start the QuickTime new movie recording, which is what's running now, you can see the recording button here. On the right of that button, I selected use an external microphone, and that's why you can hear me now. I'm opening Zoom, and I'm starting a new meeting, but I'm using a previously started meeting that has an ID that's essentially my ID, and I can copy that ID and send it to people, and when they log into Zoom, they can put in this, I guess, 10-digit number, and they can join my meeting, which is something I might want to do for my students. So I'm just going to click on New Meeting, and I'm going to join with my computer audio. And now I'm running my meeting, and other people could join, and that's pretty straightforward. I'm going to start recording within Zoom, and hopefully recording two things at once doesn't crash the computer. So I start recording on this computer, and you can see that that's now recording up here. And I'm going to then share screen, and I'm going to then click on a PowerPoint presentation that I already have open, and then share that. And then I'm going to make that a presentation screen. And today I'm going to be talking about biodiversity and climate, focusing upon what genomics can do for us. Here you can see temperature change over the last 2,000 years. Basically, I'm giving my normal presentation, and I can click through my slides and show things. So that's all we really need to do now. I'm going to click Stop Sharing, and then I'm going to stop recording. So now I have a little indication here. The recorded file is saved, but it'll be converted to a proper format when I log out. So I'm going to end the meeting now, which I might do after I give my lecture, and end the meeting for all. And now you can see that it's going about converting the movie into, I think, an MP4 format, which is perfectly compatible with YouTube. It saves this, probably different on different computers or operating systems. For me, it saves it in Documents, Zoom, and under a date that it gives it for today. And this MP4 is the video that I would want to upload to YouTube, which we'll go ahead and I'm just going to put a little test on that, and then we'll go straight to YouTube. So now we're at my YouTube site. I have an account on YouTube, and I'm just going to click on Create and Upload Video, select a file, and go back to my Zoom folder, and this is the one that I just made. You can see it says Zoom Test, and click Open. And now it's uploading that to YouTube. I can change the title now, I can put a description there, and I can scroll down, and you can set all these different things. No, it's not made for kids, and that's kind of all I do. And now I can save this or publish it. I can make it private, and click Save. And it now made that video. So I guess if I go back to my channel You can see an earlier video that I made to test this. Down here, here's the Zoom test that I just made. You can see that visibility is private, and I can also track views and comments, and that's all good. We can actually go look at this now. So if I click on that and hit play, and you can see that that's now recording up here. And I'm going to then share screen, and I'm going to then click on a PowerPoint presentation that I already have open, and then share that. And then I'm going to make that a presentation screen. And today I'm going to be talking about biodiversity and climate. Yeah, so it's just that easy. I think the only thing left for me to do is create a new account on YouTube that's called Conservation Biology, which is the course that I'm teaching. And then I think I'm ready to go. I'm curious about the analytics and what that might be able to tell me in terms of how many people have watched it, and those different things. Audience retention. Well, that's interesting. So you might be able to get some good information on who's watching it and how long they're watching it. And I'm not sure what Athena offers in this direction, but I've had problems with Athena, and this works for me. So now I'm going to stop the video that's actually running in QuickTime on the screen for this entire video.